YouTubers. So my 2011 Hyundai Elantra has been making this weird noise when I drive, and every time it goes into a bump or uneven road of any kind, it'll make this noise, and I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Hopefully that won't be background noise, but so it's very distinct. If it almost feels like a rotor issue, or maybe the struts have worn out. I'm not really exactly sure. I'm not very mechanical either, but I needed your help trying to diagnose what this 2011 Hyundai Elantra issue could be. Anyway, hopefully you guys can help, and hopefully I can get this sorted out. Thank you.